If you're looking for a beginner-friendly Korean skincare routine, then you're in the right place because I'm a beauty product developer. So it's literally my job to test beauty products for a living. I actually work with labs and chemists around the world to create beauty products behind the scenes. Let's get into it. This is going to be a simple 3 steps suitable for most skin types, and also all of these products are fairly gentle, so if you have acne prone skin or even sensitive skin, it would generally be suitable. However, I do want to note that everyone's skin will respond differently. It's always encouraged to read the ingredient list and really monitor how your skin responds. So with that said, the first recommendation is the Purito So Mighty Bamboo Panthenol Cleanser, and the reason why I'm recommending this is not only because this is my second tube, so that's my personal experience, but taking a look at the ingredient list, it actually uses very gentle surfactants, which are cleansing agents that help cleanse your skin of all those impurities and excess dirt and makeup and all those things. So the first ingredient is water, which is really standard. Most products have water as the first ingredient. The second is cocoa betaine, which is a gentle surfactant, so it's suitable for sensitive skin. You're going to find that in a lot of sensitive skin formulas. Now, in addition to that, we also have some skincare ingredients towards the second half of the ingredient list, which is okay. We have Panthenol, which is a form of vitamin B. It functions as a humectant, so it's known to be a really great hydrating ingredient. It also is known to be great for the skin barrier. We also have ingredients like allantoin, which is known to encourage skin healing. So a lot of like soothing skin barrier ingredients in this formula. We also have tea tree leaf oil towards the bottom of the ingredient list. That's probably where that smell is coming from. So if you don't like those like herby essential oil smells, this probably isn't for you because it's fragrance free, so you're getting that smell from the tea tree. I like how this has a low concentration of tea tree oil because I personally have acne prone skin. It's known to be naturally antibacterial, so you could really gently manage that acne. It's also known to be soothing as well. However, I do want to caveat that by saying that not everyone can tolerate a essential oil. I do want to note that because everyone's different, I want to just offer as much information and the pros and cons as much as I can. So with essential oils, some people cannot tolerate it. However, this is also a wash off product, so it doesn't have a lot of contact time with your skin. That can be a good or bad thing, really depending on which ingredient you're kind of worried about. So again, I always encourage a patch test. The second product recommendation is the Skin 104 Centella Ampoule. Now, if you've seen me in other social platforms, you know that I love this product because it's suitable for most skin types, including sensitive and acne prone skin, for many reasons. Number one, the texture is basically like a toner. It feels like water. It absorbs really quickly. On me personally, it doesn't feel sticky. It layers really well with other skincare and other makeup, but really I want to hone in on the hero ingredient Centella Asiatica extract, which is actually really common in Korean skincare. Now, Centella is really great for your skin barrier, meaning that it's soothing, it's hydrating, it reduces redness, it's anti-inflammatory, which is why it's so great for acne prone skin and other skin conditions. I also want to note that with this product, and actually every single product in this recommendation routine, you can pair with actives. So for example, if you're currently using a retinol, a vitamin C, a exfoliating acid, azelaic acid, the list goes on, you can actually layer it with Centella, because I know that with some actives you might experience some irritation, some redness, especially as your skin is acclimating, and Centella is a really great ingredient to layer on top to help combat those side effects. Now, moving on to the moisturizer, this is the Dr.G Clear Soothing Cream, and I mean, this is like an absolute viral cult favorite product in Korean skincare. If you're familiar with Korean skincare, you've probably seen this jar of moisturizer before. It is a gel cream texture, which means that it is in between a cream and a gel, so it has both hydrating and moisturizing benefits. And I really do think the reason why this cream is so popular is because, again, it's really versatile, suitable for most skin types. I'm just taking a look at my notes here because I want to pull up the ingredient list. So it does include niacinamide, fairly high up on the ingredient list. Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B that can help with skin texture, the appearance of pores. It's also a very gently brightening ingredient as well as a soothing ingredient. I do want to caveat that by saying that some people have shown sensitivities to high concentrations of niacinamide, so I wanted to call it out because it is such a common skincare ingredient. Now, we also have ingredients like Centella Asiatica leaf extract, which again is really great, soothing, skin barrier repairing, great for all skin types. And then towards the bottom, we also have several fermented ingredients, including lactobacillus ferment, which is known to be hydrating, soothing, really great for your skin barrier as well. So I would say in general, this moisturizer, if you're experiencing irritation, acne, it's really great to calm your skin down and maybe hold off on actives, if you're experiencing that type of skin irritation. At the same time, if you have normal skin, if you're maintaining your skin barrier, this is also a great choice as well, making it really, really versatile. Let me know if you're familiar with Korean skincare, if you've seen any of these products or brands before, and if this is something you're down to try.